Hello everyone, welcome to Accrue Foundation. This is our second video of JavaScript. So in this video, we are going to learn about the variable concept. So now what is variable? With the help of variable, you can store the information. So for that purpose, we are using the command called var, var, or after that you have to give some name. You can give your own name. Let's write XYZ and I'm storing the information. And if it is information in a string format, so you have to write double quotes. After you have to close it and you want to display this information, we have to use the document dot write. And in this, I'll write XYZ. Now open the program. This is second variable. We have stored this file. Now you can see we got ABCD. Let's see here. What if I write instead of XYZ, if I write the XYZ in a double quotes? So I'll get XYZ because now XYZ is a string. If you are not writing in a double quotes, it will become a variable. Means whatever the information you store in the variable. For example, if I write Accrue Foundation and save it, you'll get Accrue Foundation. Hope the concept is clear. If you have any questions, please add your question in the comment box. That's it for today. Thank you, everyone.